Travels with Blessed and Vincent.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke now.
Daw, dili mo dapat circle. Sige, wa. Ato sa akong sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Balik-balik kan. Dili. Ay, phone eh.
Go!
Ay, phone ah?
Oh!
Hi! Uy, ang mga doon dito.
Ano naman siya?
Oh!
Passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 5. Passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 4.
Apendi dito.
Hi guys! Another day, another vlog, and finally we are going to Vietnam! And yes, pangalawang gala na namin tong magbabarkada. First yung last year sa Taiwan at ngayon sa Vietnam na naman. So Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country known for its beaches, rivers, Buddhist pagodas, and bustling cities. So yung city nito, yung capital nito is Hanoi. Yes, pupunta din tayo dyan. Pero yung vlog na to is more on Sapa. So bababa naman kami ngayon sa Ho Chi Minh, and then Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi, and then mag-sleeper bus kami to Sapa. Papakita ko sa inyo para at least alam niyo naman kung ano yung gagawin niyo kung dito na kayo sa Vietnam. And of course, our itinerary na din. So, here you go. Tumating nga kami sa Ho Chi Minh. So, our first stop is ang ATM machine. So, medyo mahirap nga lang yung pera nila dito kasi 1 Philippine peso is equals to 465.99 Vietnamese dong. So, medyo nanibago kami. Siyempre, first time namin mag-withdraw ng mga 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Yung mga ganon. So, anyway, ito na nga yung first stop kasi madaling araw na kaming dumating dito. So, need na namin kumain ng dinner, probably midnight snack. So, may nakita lang kaming McDo, which is very good kasi natry lang din namin dito. So, ito na nga, madaling araw, kumain muna kami habang nag-aantay ng aming flight to Hanoi. So, there you go. So, ayun na nga, after namin kumain, dumiretso na kami mag-check-in for our flight to Hanoi. So, this is not a connecting flight. So, nag-book talaga kami ng separate flight to Hanoi, to Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi. So, ayun, need din namin i-check-in ulit yung mga luggage, and then, nag-immigration pa kami palabas kanina. And then, medyo mahaba yung pila, so sakto lang yung, I think, 3 to 4 hours layover time. This time, bumili din ng SIM card sila, Fatty tsaka 30, but you could also book your eSIMs or SIM cards via Klook. So, don't forget to use our Klook promo code for discount sa part lang nila kasi di pala pwede ng eSIMs yung phones nila. So, physical card na lang yung binili namin doon, mismo sa mga kiosk. So, ito na nga, papasok na kami ng plane heading to Hanoi. So, see you! So, ayun na nga, pagdating namin, nasira yung luggage ni Kiefer. So, don't worry, make sure you book your insurance via Klook para, of course, insured yung mga luggage nyo kung masira man lang airlines nila. Anyway, naghanap na kami for breakfast. Nakita namin itong Lucky Cafe fast food. So, pho is a popular food in Vietnam where it is served in household, mga street stalls, and restaurants nationwide. Ang sarap nga nito, sabi nila Fatty, tsaka Vincent and Dale.
Tanza? Wala ka nang happy kasi Dale ganyan ka lang. May kiss of face. Oh my gosh! Saan aram dyan?
Very good, very good. Ay, di tayo.
Ayun, naubos agad namin yung pho. And super timing, tumawag na yung driver namin dahil sasakay na kami ng sleeper bus. Don't worry, lalagay ko sa description box saan kami nag-book nito. So, the passengers need to take off shoes before boarding the sleeping bus para malinis din. So, since kami yung unang nakapasok ni Vincent, sumakay agad kami dito sa likuran ni Kuya Driver. So, eto na nga, yung higaan ko. Super ganda nito, guys. Actually, mas gugustuhin ko may ganito din sa Cebu. So, ito na nga, tutur ko kayo konti. May headphones siya. Ito na, kinuha ko. May charger station din siya. May lagay ng headphones. They have this pillow, one pillow. They also have the blanket. And then, ito din, may parang screen sila kung saan you play yung mga music or anything. And then, yun, lagayan ng water, tsaka pwede ding may USB port. They also have the blinds para makikita nyo yung view while maandar na yung bus. They have the water, the wet wipes, and you can also close yung curtains nyo kung gusto nyo na matulog. They have lights inside, and the best part, they have this massage chair. Massage bed nga pala na pwede ding i-recline. So, ito na yung mga kasama ko nasa likuran, sila Nicole, Bammer, Kiefer, the rest of the team, 30, Fatty, and the Dale. And don't worry kung gusto nyo mag-CR kanina, may 2 bus stops yung sleeping bus. So, pwedeng bumaba sa mga oras na yun or gusto nyo mag-snack. So, ito yung dropping off area. Baba na kami sa tapat ng building na to kasi need naming sumakay ng van ulit. Tapos, idadrop na naman kami kung saang Airbnb or hotel kayong nag-book dito sa Sapa. So, actually, sa Sapa na kami dito. And then, super lapit lang din ang dropping off area ng sleeper bus dun sa mismong hotel na nabook namin. So, may mga pa-free taste kasi sila sa loob. Of course, hindi natin palalampasin yung mga ganito. So, ito na yung sa center na ito. Papunta na kami, idadrop na kami mismo sa hotel. So, ito na nga.
Kuya, nagaytay.
Buak! Was better? Nakapag-check-in na kami, and then nagpahinga lang kami saglit, and then nung gabi na, nag-stroll kami around the city, the center. So, it was a good thing kasi yung hotel na na-book namin is super lapit lang dito sa center. So, walking distance lang talaga siya. Lalagay ko sa description box kung saan kami nag-book. Anyway, naghanap kami kung saan magdi-dinner, and we found this Chusu Kitchen in Sapa. Nakita lang namin sa Google, naka 5 stars siya yung review, so we tried it, and it was worth it naman. Ito yung mga food na kinain namin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga videos. Upon research din, nung nag-search kami kung saan kakain, it's a good place to eat pho, spring rolls, and they also have the local Vietnamese food dito sa Chusu Kitchen. May mga salmon sila, ribs, and mga pork dishes. And then, yung nabayaran din namin is very worth it lang. Hindi naman ganun ka-pricey. It was good for 7 people na. A total of 2,130,000. So, kaya na lang mag-convert niyan kung magkano yan in Philippine peso. Anyway, nagbalik na kami sa hotel and we were strolling around. Ang daming mga, I don't know if it's Class A or Regional na malapit sa hotel namin. So, we tried and tinitingnan namin kung may pwede ba kami mabili for souvenirs. We also tried their Vietnamese egg coffee. Of course, first night namin. Gusto namin matay lahat ng coffee dito sa Vietnam, kahit anong city pa yan. So as you know, egg coffee is a Vietnamese drink traditionally prepared with egg yolk, sugar, condensed milk, and a Robusta coffee. O, diba? Gustong-gusto ni 30 yung lasa niyan. Anyway, this is now day 2. Good morning! And na naghanap na kami kung saan magbe-breakfast. Yung itinerary namin today is pupunta sa Fancy Pan. So yung weather, I think, during this time is around 16 to 18 degrees. Tapos yung sa Fancy Pan naman mismo, nakita namin sa TikTok, I think 8 to 12 daw. Depende anong time kami pupunta doon. So kaya ganito yung outfit namin, baka magulat kayo. Anyway, Fancy Pan is the highest point. The Fancy Pan Mountain, I mean, is the highest point in Indochina, accessible by cable car or challenging hike, offering mga panoramic views. So makikita nyo dito mamaya kung ano yung mga pinuntahan namin. Daming hiking, tapos ang layo-layo, per need nga mag-cable car, but it was really, really worth it. So, let's see! Yo, saan action na picture?
Kiểu cổ lớn ở Hà là hàng ngàn năm gắn bó với đất Việt.
So, eto na nga, nasa cable car na kami. So, taking the cable car to Fancy Pan Station offers a quick ride up to 1,410 meters in just about 15 minutes. So, lahat ng Fancy Pan activities namin na-book pa rin namin sa Klook. So, don't forget to use my Klook promo code BLESSKLOOK for discounts. No! Momo, I'm here! Mama!
We're here in heaven!
Hi! Neil, come here! Oh, English! My buddy, so what? Mama! Dili na ka ba mo eh?
Huwag mong jacket kay grabe, masinyag din. Hindi niya ako makaya ba. Pero nag-shorts niya ako. Ay, boxer. Atong ihubo kay kusga naman ta. Dili, bumudol gitu. Naana data sa bugnaw. Okay. Ay, di mo klaro ba? Ron, sa kami? Nakakaliwan ko na bilin. Naman. Ito na matubangan ha? Oh, ano? No. Stairway to heaven? Bilang, bukod pa dyan ha. Thank you, ringside.
Kuya! Ay, ba't di ha? And that's it. Yung twist, wala palang panoramic views kasi super foggy and wala kayong nakikita kanina. And then yung pumunta sa top is La Bammer tsaka Vincent lang. Kaya nakikita nyo kanina na silang dalawa na lang yung naiwan. And nagiram si Vincent ng jacket kay Fatty kasi baka lang sakali hindi niya kaya yung ginaw dun sa taas. So anyway, pabalik lang kami kung ano yung sinakyan naming train. Paakyat, ganun din pababa. And then after nun is our next itinerary, which we are heading to Hmong Village Alpine Coaster. And it's one of a good activity also here in Sapa. So ito na nga yung Grab and dumating na agad kami dito sa Hmong Village. So we also booked this activity via Klook. So don't forget to use our Klook promo code BLESSKLOOK for discounts. So you get to experience the thrill of riding through the long coaster trail. Here go, pwedeng ang dalawa kayo, pwede din mag-isa para maka-drive kayo mismo. So ito na nga yung experience namin. And that's it for our Alpine Coaster experience. Mabilis lang siya. I think around 2 to 3 minutes. Depende kung gaano kayo kabilis mag-drive. After nun, sumakay ulit kami ng Grab and then heading to V-Trekking Sapa. So this is a 4-star hotel. Yung case namin is nagpunta lang kami dito para matry yung cafe nila, yung coffee shop nila. And para makita din namin kung gaano kaganda yung view dito. Inaantay din namin yung red train na sinakyan namin kanina papuntang Fansipan. So here you go. Okay. Vincent? Marshall, pa-jufen-jufen. Wala din ka to apil. Good morning, everyone. So we are currently here live with Nicole and Zale taking shoot. Good morning! And yes, last day nandito sa Sapa and we found this Michelin restaurant for our breakfast, brunch actually, while waiting for our sleeper bus. Pabalik na tayong Hanoi this time. So don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming mga videos and check out our next vlog para sa aming Hanoi adventures with my friends.
Wow. Pero wala na pag-search na ito rin nga diyan. Wala dito. Ano mga kuwan dito? Vitamins. Next one. Puslog.
Do you have spoon? Not for soup? Like, for
Refreshment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my G. jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now nigga can't